passport?
Yeah, I had a little pouch with money in it and my passport. And
Where was it? You sure I couldn't help you look for it?
no, we've just been and looked. It was either here. We were at Conway first, so it might have gone there too.
An American?
Canadian.
Canadian. So you have to get another one.
Yes. Well, I have actually a British passport. I was born here, but I live there now. So.
Right. Oh my goodness.
Yes.
So I've
get back home.
But you think you may have left it. You kick yourself, don't you?
Yes. We just got back. I'm staying at my uncle's in Mold, and we just got back there.
Oh, in Mold, and that's near me. Yes.
And then I figured my little wallet's gone with all my money and my passport.
And your money.
So we just drove all the way back here, and I didn't think it was here. Yeah.
No, right. Well, here you would have seen it. Yeah.
So I think it might be there.
Have you been to the other place?
No,
Not
we
yet.
literally just found out like half an
now.
hour ago. Yeah.
So you're going to go back to the other place, or not?
Well, I think we'll call the police station there and see if somebody handed it in.
Yes.
Yeah.
101 you have to ring. I think.
We'll figure it out. Yeah.
You've got a fit mobile.
Yeah, my
yes,
uncle.
Yes.
He like I said, he lives in Mold. So.
Oh yes. Well, fingers crossed that you find it. You know, I mean, someone handed mine back in. You know, when I had it stolen.
Okay, that's good.
Someone had stolen the wallet and the passport, but they took the money and threw the rest.
That's what we were hoping, because the money can be replaced.
Yes.
The passport's hard.
Yes.